वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसतली सावूद आनी भलायकेन. सो टुडे आय एम गोइंग टू शो यू ऑल हाव टू मेक watermelon salad. And we had gone out for a dinner and there we had ordered this watermelon salad which was yummy, delicious. But it might be not of everybody's taste. But yes, whoever wants to do, it's for them. So we need one small watermelon, like around 3 cups, you can say, cubes. Then we need one onion, one jalapeno, one small chili, a few iceberg leaves, few salad leaves, one lime juice, feta cheese 3/4 cup, few of broccoli, then one onion, and these are walnuts. So this all ingredients you need. So we have to finely chop this. This will be in cubes. This will be finely chopped. This according to your this again according how you want. And broccoli you have to either steam or you can stir fry. Then feta cheese, if you want, you can add and garnish it in this way only, or you can stir fry, whichever way you want. Dressing oil will be olive oil, and pepper powder, crushed pepper powder, and salt to taste. That's it. So we can chop this however you want. I have to put it in a bowl. Wash this, okay, before cutting that. So 1/2 of this I will cut it like this, and then we'll open this, okay, and this will chop fine. Then this one will be in round. And you can de-seed the seeds, okay, if you don't want. If you want, then you can leave it like that only. Then we'll cut this. And makes a cube out of this. So it was like in cubes only what we had that day. So this way only cut all with seeds, okay. Again, if you don't want seeds, then please, choice is yours. So I've sauteed this with little olive oil, okay, and I have sauteed little bit of feta cheese also with olive oil. I will add this walnuts. Small pieces you can do. I will add our lime juice to this. So half lime juice is enough for this. Salt will add, and we'll add crushed pepper. Some crushed pepper. Salt little bit. Little bit of salt. And 1 teaspoon olive oil. So like 1 teaspoon of olive oil. That's it. Now we'll mix this nicely together. So everything goes together, the salt, the chili flavor, the onion flavors, the nuts. So once you taste it, you will know what it is, and then accordingly you can adjust your salt and your pepper powder. So this is for 3 people, and I have not used whole of this. You want, you can use whole of. So I've used only half of the watermelon, and that's it. Enjoy your watermelon salad. Thank you. Devare Guru. So let's serve this. Enjoy this salad with the richness of watermelon. Thank you so much. Thank you. Devare Guru. Watermelon salad. Try this recipe and make it in your kitchen, in your home, and enjoy watermelon salad. Thank you.